So इसमें E आंसर आएगा मेरे ख्याल से. I think E should be the answer here. With this thought process, I would go with D, but it's very clear. So E बहुत clear है इसका 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the fifth one. So C is the clear answer in this. I think I'm 100% sure of this. So in this case, D is the clear answer. Dimension thinking in this, then B comes out as the answer. So B is the right answer in this. 8th one. हाँ तो 1, 5 ही रहेगा इसमें 9th में. But इस वाले ऑप्शन में B is the right answer. B is the right answer in this. Let's look at the 12th one. Pandemics का रिलेशन ही नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में. So A इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है. Right? So very clearly B in this. So B, I would go with B 100% on this. So I would go with 1, 2, 3, but there's a chance that 1 and 3 can be right. The use of the patented product. Right? So 16th is B, very clearly. Is E. So straight answer is E. According to me. I mean, if I had to mark an answer for myself, I would mark B. I'll not ask you guys to go with that as कि D मैंने mark किया तो +1 है. So D is also an inference. B is also an inference. So I don't know what the author. लेकिन I would mark A in this. C तो definitely नहीं है. Right, but a good story is something which is inclusive. It's not just inclusive of all humans. It's also inclusive of all sentient beings. So A answer रहेगा इसका. So 22 is again B because best captures that essence of a good story. Again from meaningful and compelling. तो ये part होना चाहिए, 4 होना चाहिए, 3 और 4 दोनों होना चाहिए इसमें. I would go 3 and 4.